That was great. Came out and met a lot of new people. I'm more based in Hamilton, so it was nice to come out to Burlington and meet some people. And I thought the speaker tonight was great. Learned a lot about his trials and tribulations as an entrepreneur, and also about this great space that he's built for entrepreneurs here in Burlington. Well, I think we all have those ideas kicking in the back of our mind that we think, hey, you know, I could maybe make a go of something and make my own business. And so it's always interesting to hear about people who actually went for it and have done it, and you know, face those problems that you always think about when you're thinking about how it might go, and just handled those challenges and made a success out of it.